Is that pretty good? Pretty yummy stuff, huh? Yeah. How about you, mister? Is that pretty good? You pretty good eating boys. Num. Num. Num nums.
It's all over his head.
Yeah, he scratched his nose. What, honey?
I was asking you. He put his foot all over his face.
Hi, Porter. Hi, honey. You're being awfully quiet. Are you boys tired? Is it time for nap? Yay! All done? You're all done? Okay.